It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Peel off the paper release from the adhesive wafer. Adhere the naked bag securely to your body. Fold the outlet all the way up and secure with the blue hook. Fold the cover in half so the blue tang can be used freely. Direct the blue tang into the tang pocket. Use your hand to gently press up and down the bag to secure the cover and keep it in place. Using Confidence Be Go is that simple. Follow these steps for a comfortable and secure fit.
The cover is applied easily. I think Be Go will be of interest to a wide range of ostomates and those with dexterity issues.
Love the blue touch points, easy to see and use.
The closure is easier to open than some. I have dexterity issues and find the pull ring at the opening easier to use.
Simply hold the cover release tab at the top of the bag and pull down until completely removed. The cover can be hand or machine washed. To machine wash, place the removed cover into the washing machine bag. Repeat steps 2 and 3 to apply your chosen cover. Using the cover release tab at the top of the bag, half peel the cover off from the top down to have a view of your stoma and output. Then, just return the cover to its original position by pressing the cover securely back in place. Simply lift the cover, find the blue hook and pull it upwards. Hold the outlet at the sides and slowly roll it down until completely unfolded. Hold the blue ring pull tab with one hand and either side of the outlet with your other hand and pull the ring tab. Allow the contents to empty and then clean inside the opening with a tissue. Fold the outlet back up again and secure the Velcro hook underneath the cover of the bag. It's freedom to be. Introducing Confidence Be Go. Go for it.